Hello. My name is Gabriela and I will walk you through the materials I'm using for this video. So I have my watercolor paper, some watercolor paints, my Princeton brush that I love, and of course some water, some washi tape to make it easier, and paper towel. Maybe you will need a ruler and a pencil in case you want to divide your paper in parts. So in this time lapse I want to show you a very nice way to get to know your colors in your palette. It took me like 1.5 hours to just swatch my 14 colors here. Because I have 14 colors, I am dividing my paper in 14 segments in both ways. So I will have these small squares that you will see in a minute. But because it takes a little bit longer, I decided to speed it up. So you just need to understand what I will do, and then you just do it yourself. So the first thing we do is to take the washi tape, or you can of course use the ruler and a pencil to divide your paper in the number of colors you have. So in my case 14, and you can definitely make it more, how do you say, perfect, let's say. But I just really like the final part when I am peeling the tape and I see this just perfect and nice colorful edges. So that's why I decided to go with the tape. But you can definitely draw these tiles first with the pencil and then paint and mix your colors. And I want to tell you that maybe at some point you will feel a bit bored of this exercise, or at least at some point I got a little bit bored, so I just took a break and then continue, because yeah, it's just repeating the same thing over and over. So now that I have all my let's call them square tiles, the first thing I will do is to pre-wet my watercolors, and then I will put all of the colors on the diagonal. So I will start from the lighter colors and then go through some cool colors. So I will do yellow and then green, blue, purplish, or in my case pink, and then the red will be in the end. But you can just do whatever order you have, and you can of course do only a few of your colors, or you can do all of your colors. Just keep in mind that yeah, when you have more colors it will just take more time. You might like a bigger palette, and you will know in a moment, but let me just try to explain. So you need to mix two colors and then put them in the square next to them. So let me just try to put it on a paper, and I will use the pen for this so it's more visible. But let's say these are my two first colors, and when I mix them, I put the new color in between them. And then if I want to mix the first and the third color, I put them in this square that's just in between. I don't know, I hope with this scheme it's more understandable what I want to make. So let's just give it a try. So the first two yellows, I put them there, and then I add water and put it on the other side. So in general, we will have half of our tiles will be really vibrant, and then on the other side we will have lighter colors. And to bring the value down, you just add extra water and you put the color on the other side, so it will be symmetrical basically. And it's important to keep cleaning up your palette, so you are sure that you are mixing only two colors. You can definitely take a bigger palette, so in the end you will have pre-mixed colors and you will be able to use them for your sketches or paintings. I didn't think so far because I was just focused on this one exercise. So I just kept cleaning up my palette, but it's just an idea for you if you want to use all these nice colors after that, which if I do this exercise again, I think I will do this. I will just grab all my palettes and mix the colors, and then I will use them for my sketches, because what a waste that was, but never mind. So let's just continue. You can definitely see that I did have only 3 greens in my palette, but look now, when I start mixing all of this, how many greens did I get? Like, oh my god. And I have to admit that all the new greens, for example, all the new mixtures, they were so rich in color, and I definitely love them even more than what I already had in my palette. So I have green gold, I have hooker's green, and I have cobalt green light, and I have my Mary blue, which are absolutely professional watercolors, and they are extremely vibrant and nice colors. But when you start mixing them, oh my god, you can get so many colors. And I usually paint for relaxation, so I don't spend so much time on mixing some colors. I really like using my colors directly from the palette, but after this exercise everything just changed for me. Like, I can definitely know what I want to do with all these colors. Do I want to, do I want to have a warmer green, or for instance cooler green, or that same thing with all the blues and all the browns? Oh my god. And you know that I don't have any brown in my palette, so with this exercise I definitely got so many browns, and I was just so excited about all these colors. And now after I finished this, I just put it next to my desk, and I just keep watching this. It's just so beautiful thing, all these colorful tiles. But you will see the the beautiful result when we remove the tape. What I wanted to say is that it's never waste of time when you want to just explore your colors, explore new mixtures, and just try new things. And for me, starting mixing my colors was just a game changer, because now after this exercise I feel confident, like absolutely confident, to get any color I want. and I can match, like, not only the colors, but I can match also the values of these colors, because I did the darker and the lighter versions of each of these colors. Let me know in the comments below if you like to mix your colors, or you prefer using the pre-mixed colors that are in the palette that you have. Just I'm curious how you like painting this for relaxation. Like, I'm probably not asking my question properly, but when you sit to sketch and paint, do you like pre-mixing colors? Do you like pre-mixed colors, or do you like to mix new colors by yourself? So you definitely get unique colors, and just special ones. Yeah, aren't they special when they are so unique that you just made them by yourself? So I keep cleaning up my palette, and just mixing more and more. So let's just finish this and see the result in the end. Okay, now that it's ready, let's just remove all the tape. And I have to give you a tip here. When you want to peel your tape, I would definitely recommend to wait for your tiles to be completely dry, because otherwise, yeah, you can see that somewhere my paint just bleeded a little bit, but I was just so excited to get this to the end. So if you liked this video and you would love to learn more from me, just subscribe for my channel and like this video. Comment below if you would try this out, and see you next week with our fourth video from my Watercolor Basics for Beginner series.